Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about pork chops. But first, I want to remind everybody that if you're subscribed to Grayman Prepping, we have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway contest going on right now. So don't forget to go check out that video. At the very end of this video, I'll leave a link to it, and that way you can go directly there, check out the rules, and try to win one of the great prizes we have there. Alrighty, so pork chops. Great food. Right now, around here, it's at a great price, a lot less than beef. And you can just about do anything you want with pork chops that you can do with beef. That includes frying it up like this, just frying it up plain, running it through a meat grinder, making instead of hamburger, making pork burger out of it. You can use it in stews, chilies, just about anything you can think of, you can do pork with. All right. And one of the things that not to forget is that you can cook it up and can it, and it's good for years. All righty. So with that, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicines, skills, tools, and other equipment. All right? Okay, and don't forget, stay tuned. I'm going to put that link up here for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Take care.